Hello, my name is Rüdiger Weich and I'm a global product manager with Dräger for multi-gas detectors. In this video, I want to show you how you can use the multi-gas detector Dräger X-am 8000 in incidents where cars with alternative driveways are involved. This instrument is set up with various sensors. We have here a PID, a photoionization detector, to measure volatile organic compounds. Then we have a sensor for the measurement of the lower explosion limit. It is set to methane, a flammable gas. We have oxygen and carbon monoxide. And we have a sensor for hydrogen. The carbon monoxide sensor has a speciality. It shows here CO+. That means this sensor is compensated for the presence of hydrogen. Normally, carbon monoxide sensors are cross-sensitive to hydrogen. Small amounts of hydrogen show a signal on these sensors. But this sensor is special. It is compensated, and small concentrations of hydrogen, up to 1000 ppm roughly, are not indicated on that sensor. Incidents with cars with alternative drives, especially if the car is burning or if there's a release of the gas, may involve different flammable gases. The most important ones are hydrogen. We can measure hydrogen directly with this instrument. Or CNG, compressed natural gas, which is basically methane, which we also measure directly with that instrument. Or LPG, liquefied petrol gas, which is a mixture of propane and butane. In this case, we can change the display to LPG, and I will show you how this works. You open the menu, go to the switch gas function, select the sensor you want to change, in this case the methane sensor that is set to, which is a cardiac sensor. And now I change to LPG from the list of many gases I can select. LPG, so I select this, and the instrument will now adapt itself to LPG, and the sensitivity of the sensor will be changed so that LPG is shown and indicated correct over the last setting that we had with methane. So you see, the detector is now set to LPG, and that is as easy as it works. Additional gases that might play an important role in respect of cars with electric drives are SO2, sulfur dioxide, or NO2, which is nitrogen dioxide, or HCN, which is hydrogen cyanide, or HCl, which is hydrogen chloride. For all those gases, Dräger offers sensors as well.